What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Living the Hustle here and I'm back again with another video. If this is your first time on my channel, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And please check out my other video. I talk about everything side hustle and how to make money. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money selling trade lines. A couple months ago, I made a video talking about how to sell trade lines, but in this video, I'm going to be talking about a different way how to sell trade lines. So if you haven't watched that video, please refer to that video. I'm going to put the link in my description so you can check that out. So if you watched the first video and you weren't able to benefit off it because maybe you don't have any credit cards or maybe none of your cards qualified to be added, this is going to be for you. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money selling trade lines without having any credit cards. By selling trade lines using this method, you don't need any credit cards, you don't need any trade lines. What exactly is a trade line? A trade line is any credit account that is on your credit report. So it could be a loan, it could be a credit card. So what is selling trade lines? You sell trade lines by getting paid to add someone as an authorized user to your credit card. There are people out there that has bad credit or no credit at all and they need a boost. So that way they could qualify for maybe a car loan or apartment or a credit card or any type of loan, right? So that's where you comes in. You provide that service. They have poor credit or they haven't established no credit at all. And you, on the other hand, you have, good credit. You have some credit cards that's been open for, over 2 years. You have a decent limit on them. That's where you come in. You could charge this person to add them to your credit card and give them a boost. Once you add them to your credit card as an authorized user, they get that history on your credit card. So let's say you had the card for 5 years and it has a 5,000 limit. That account, that trade line gets added to their credit report. So now that I explained what is a trade line and what is selling trade line, now I'm going to explain to you how to sell trade line. So the way to sell trade line is by going through a company called GFS Group. So you want to go on their website, it's gfsgroup.org. I'll make sure to put a link in my description so that way you'll be able to sign up and get started today. Once you get to gfsgroup.org, you just click English and you click sign up. So you'll need to just enter your name, phone number, email, and that's how you sign up. It's pretty simple. Once you do that, you should get an email with next steps. I just logged into my dashboard and they have a trade seller tutorial. Before you get started, they have a tutorial that you can go through and it tells you everything you need to know about selling trade lines. So yeah, this is my dashboard here. This is navigation. You go to my cards. This is going to show you all the cards you have added in your account. You can come here to add a card. This is going to show you all your bookings. And this is going to give you your referral link. Right now I have 2 cards added. I made money off both of them. My Discover is more popular. That one gets booked all the time. So that's pretty good. Now that I spent some time talking about the traditional way how to sell trade line, now I'm going to talk about the other way how to make money selling trade line. And this is done through the referral program. GFS Group has one of the best referral program in the industry. They pay you 100% commission. Once you sign up and you go on your dashboard, you will get a referral link. So what you do is you have people sign up using referral link. Anyone that uses your referral link to sign up, you will earn 100% one-time commission off their second sale of each card. Let's say someone used your referral link to sign up for GSF groups and they add 2 cards to their account. Once each card make their second sale, you'll earn 100% one-time commission off each card. So let's say they added a card and that card is going to pay them $480 each sale. Upon that second sale, you'll earn a one-time payment of $480. And the reason why I use that example is because that happened to me. Someone signed up using my referral link and upon their second sale of their card, I earned a $480 commission. One day I got a random email saying that I earned a commission and I'll be getting paid. And that caught me by surprise because I wasn't expecting that. And that can literally happen to you too. By you just putting your referral link out there, people will sign up using your link and then you'll earn passive income over time. The cool thing is that you can earn money off each card. If they added 2 cards, you could make a commission off both cards. Upon the second sale of another card, I could make commission off that same person. So that one person could earn you unlimited amount of commission based on the amount of cards. So it's not just one person, one commission. No, if someone signs up using your link and they added 5 cards, for each card, once each card make that second sale, you'll get a one-time commission as well. Each time someone signs up using your referral link, you get an email. And you can also track everything on your dashboard. So if you go to the dashboard and you go to referral section, you'll be able to track everything. So you'll see the amount of clicks, how many people signed up, and also how much commission you earned. The way you get people to sign up with your link is word of mouth. You could tell your friends and family. You could share your link with your friend and family. Let's say you have a business circle or a network circle, you could share it there. The biggest one is social media. You know, we're on social media every day. That's the best way to get your referral link out there. For me, I do YouTube, so I put my referral link in my YouTube, and that's been getting me the best results. If you're on Instagram or X or Facebook, that's another good way to put your referral link out there. If you write vlogs, that's another good one. You could write a vlog post on how to make money selling trade lines, and you could put your referral link there. And also Reddit, you could put your referral link there as well. I signed up for something using someone's referral link before from Reddit. It was a Planet Fitness gym membership. I found a referral link on Reddit that basically the first month would be $1, and I signed up using that link because I save money. And that's another thing about this program. You're helping each other. So you're benefiting because you earn a commission, and they're also benefiting as well because you're educating them. You're telling them about this program and how to make money. If the people that signed up for my referral link, if I never told them about how to sell trade line, they probably wouldn't know nothing about it. So think about it. I made $480 commission off one card. Imagine the amount of money that person is going to make off selling their cards. By the time I got my referral, they already made almost $1,000 just off one card. So imagine the amount of other cards they had, and imagine how much money they're going to earn in the future. So that's the power of this. You know, it's not you referring people, you're actually helping them as well because you're putting them on to something they probably knew nothing about. You're putting them on a new side hustle, a way to make passive income. And you know, y'all helping each other. So it's not just a one-sided thing. And you know, once you tell someone about this, it makes sense. Why not do it? So you know, some people have cards just sitting around not being used. So this is a good way for them to put those cards to use. You know, me myself, I had cards just sitting around not being used because you know, some people have 5, 6 credit cards and they only use one primarily. So the other ones are just there, you know, collecting dust. So this is a good way to get those cards active, you know, keep those cards in an active state from getting closed. Because if you don't use a card for a certain period of time, they can't get closed. You know, by doing this, you're kind of forced to use that card. They want you to spend at least $5 on the card when you add someone. So it's a good way to keep those cards active. Let me show you guys my dashboard. Once you log in, click referral links. And here's my dashboard. So far, I got 37 clicks, 7 referrals. So 7 people signed up using my referral link. 14 cards were added. 1 conversion so far, and I earned $480. If you click show referral, it's gonna show you everyone that signs up, and it's gonna show you the amount of cards they added. I have people that signed up using my link that had 4 or 5 cards. So basically for each one of those persons, I have a potential to earn a one-time commission off each one of their cards. That's the thing, it is a slow process. Someone signing up, you're not gonna make money instantly. You're gonna make money down the line. You know, you could have someone sign up now, and then maybe 4 or 5 months from now, you get an email saying that, you know, you earned $300 commission. It's a way to make money passively over the month. So one month you might earn a $200 commission, and then the following month you might earn $300 commission. So in some months you probably won't earn anything, but it's something to put out there, and then you'll make money. Thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Let me know your experience with selling trade lines.